Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change helmet in superstar mode in Madden 26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, select character from the top menu. Then here we need to select the option change gear. Right here you need to choose where you wanna change the helmet. It could be dark, light, or any of the leak you have. In my case, I would love to change the helmet for dark. I'll select that. Then select the first option, head gear. Right here at the first we have the option helmet textures. So just from here you can choose the texture for the helmet. The next thing you can choose is the helmet model. You have bunch of available here. Choose the one you like. The next thing you can choose is the face mask, like this. Then you have here is guardian cap. You can choose that too. Then you have visor. Just next to that you have the option to choose the mouth guard. And then at the last you'll able to choose the face step if you wanna have. And that's exactly how you can change the helmet in superstar mode in Madden 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.